Yeah, now it is.
Okay, now it's going. Because you drank that coffee right away, and you had it.
That's
Got a lot of coffee in there?
the reflex. I knew that was going to happen. That time I knew that was going to happen, though. Okay. Turn it towards me. This is Fiscal Boy 1, 107.5 decibel meter burp. One of the loudest burps in the world. Trying to go for 110, and I'm going to try to keep going. Okay. Here we go.
7.9, or did it flash to 108? Man. I think that's good, man, for a while. Or can you keep going?
Oh, I can a bit more. I'm not done yet, boy. I don't give up that easy. I want that friggin' 109.
I think that was 108. It flashed to 107 to 108, I think. You're getting really close, man. To 110. Well, you're getting in the high hundreds, bud.
It's getting better.
Yeah, man. Okay, stop that one now.